Hello, good morning to everyone. This is my new home. Yeah, not bad. Just one night like $5 and amazing. You know, this is my aircon. Very nice. Also here and and I get up in the morning, have coffee also, but not for free. Like like $1, $1.50, something like that. Not bad. You want to eat a rhino dog and rice with the beef, with the pork, chicken, have everything, guys, and display and food very nice and original Khmer, you know. So I just get up in the morning, but I don't go looking around yet because I feel like tired from yesterday a little bit. Also, I drink beer, like 2 beer from yesterday. Yeah, but wow, very nice sleep. Also, and enjoy drink with the people here. But young people like my son, yeah, my people. Also, and today and he leave, and then new people coming, and they play very busy, guy. Only 10. It's not busy, but the room very busy, and the room like one night when he not discount, I think expensive, yeah. But I don't ask him how much, but I hear him to say like when he discount like one night like $40. But about that discount, I don't know. I don't ask him. Maybe $50, $60. Yeah, like that. But it's nice place for relax. When you thinking too much, when you are dry, yeah, you have to find a place to relax. Yeah, come here. Why not? And with the 10 like $5 for one night, also and free and yeah. And fun. It's not hot. For last night I sleep very nice, very cold, guys. It's not hot, but and I get up in the morning for sure hot a little bit because in the sun, like that. And here also, and I have in a bathroom. You go to shower. Yeah, you want to pee poo like that. But saboo you can buy from yourself. Maybe you can take from yourself and come to display. Yeah. Did you want to relax like 2-3 days? Because not have saboo for you for free about to like the same the altar like that. Okay guys, thank you so much for always